Alright, quick update on the mining of this chunk. In that I have mined out the entire chunk. Well, it's 4 chunks actually. And I've covered the bottom with waterlogged slabs, water to stop slime from spawning so I don't take fall damage while I'm putting all the glass in the cave entrances. And slabs because so it doesn't freeze because it's in a cold biome. And I have also started work mining out this area here for the golems, and obviously I'll mine out the other side as well for more golems, and then have like a dropper here and a dropper here, and then sort of a item streams from both sides going into a middle in like a central AFK slash storage collection area up here. And I'll come back when all of that stuff's ready. But I'd also like to point out that this makes an absolutely amazingly efficient glowsmith farm. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stacks of glow ink already, and they're constantly spawning. And because of the height map, because it's at Y0, especially before I put the slabs down, they were spawning like crazy. But even now, there's just like the edge areas here where there's no slabs. They're still spawning like crazy. I don't know why, but yeah, this has been an amazing glowsmith farm as like a side benefit of the construction process, and I am not complaining because I can have all of the glowy things that I want. So yeah, I'll come back when the slime farm is more done, hopefully finished, and until then, have a good one, and I'll see ya.